Don't be fooled by those glossy ads showing sweeping mountain vistas and crystal clear peaks. Most of the time, what shows up at your door is a palm-sized piece of plastic that weighs less than a sandwich. This specific budget drone is the perfect example of why you need to read the fine print before hitting that buy button. It is marketed online as this high-tech aerial marvel. In reality, it is a glorified toy. That is not necessarily a bad thing. If you go into this expecting professional cinema quality, you are going to be miserable. But if you want something to crash into your living room curtains without crying over a lost paycheck, we need to talk. The setup is almost too simple. You click the remote on, tap a single button, and the little guy just hovers there. It uses basic tech to keep itself level. For a total rookie, that is a lifesaver. You do not have to fight the sticks just to keep it from eating dirt. It is remarkably stable indoors. You can zip it around and feel like a real pilot within 5 minutes. Then there are the stunts. This thing is built for flips and rolls. You press a trigger, flick the stick, and it does a full 360 in the air. It is pure, unadulterated fun. However, the fun hits a brick wall very quickly. You get about 8 minutes of flight time. That is it. By the time you really get into a groove, the lights start flashing, and it is time to plug it back in for an hour. It is a constant cycle of waiting. And do not even think about taking this thing out on a breezy day. Because it is so light, a stiff breeze will hijack your flight and send your new toy into a neighbor's tree 3 blocks away. It lacks the heavy-duty motors required to fight back against nature. The range is also quite limited. If you fly it much further than 50 or 70 meters, you will lose signal. The marketing will tell you it has this incredible camera. Most versions of this model either have no camera at all or a sensor that looks like it came off a flip phone from 20 years ago. It is grainy. It is shaky. It is definitely not for your travel vlog. But here's the thing. For a kid or someone who has never flown before, this is a fantastic entry point. It teaches you the muscle memory of the controls. You learn how to orient the craft when it is facing towards you versus away. You learn the physics of flight without the $500 stress of a premium brand. It is a disposable teacher. If you treat it like a high-end tool, you will feel scammed. If you treat it like a cheap thrill for a Saturday afternoon, it delivers exactly what it needs to. Just make sure you grab a few extra batteries. You will need them if you want to spend more time in the air than you do staring at a charging cable on your desk. It is an honest toy in a dishonest marketing wrapper. Buy it for the flips. Buy it for the crashes. Just do not buy it for the memories you want to capture in high definition. You have to keep your expectations on the ground even if the drone is in the air. This is about pure, low-stakes entertainment. It is about the joy of seeing something take flight under your command for the very first time. There is a certain magic in that, even if the hardware is basic. Just remember that you get exactly what you pay for in this hobby. If the price seems too good to be true, it probably is. But for the price of a couple of pizzas, you can have a lot of laughs. Just keep it away from the trees and enjoy the ride while the battery lasts.